Good morning from Mount Rainier. We got here around 4, started around 4:30, got here for the sunrise. Yesterday we did Dege Peak, caught some bears, caught some elk, hiked up here in the morning so it's pitch black. I say use some time and just show you the clips, but it was all worth it for this sunrise. We are now starting the burrows. We'll see how first one feels like and see if we want to proceed to the last.
Shrubs.
Here we go, heading on up to the second burrow.
Something behind me? Oh, you're trying to look cute so I can feed you. Oh my god, look at him. He's like modeling for me.
Stealth bombers.
Well, we didn't make it to the third burrow, but we just sat at the second, soaking all the views before all the smoke came in. You can see the smoke coming in. It's time to go home.
I ain't gonna sing it again. Our next one's Bean and Bear, right?
Oh, that was sharp. One last thing to do here at Rainier before we check it off.